Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Nandi Hills and this is my part 2 video. So this is the sunrise at Nandi Hills. It offers a spectacular view of the sun painting the sky with vibrant hues of orange, red and pink, often appearing above a sea of clouds during the misty mornings. It is a truly mesmerizing sight that attracts many nature lovers and photographers. So stay tuned to know more about the details. So let me first talk about the sunrise timings. So the sunrise in Nandi Hills is expected to be around 5:52 a.m. But it will be according to the weather conditions as well. So, to witness the magical sunrise, it is highly recommended to arrive at Nandi Hills well before the actual sunrise time. So, you have to aim to be there by 5 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. to secure a good spot and experience the gradual change in colors as the sun ascends. As you guys know, we have stayed in a resort and I have mentioned it in my earlier video. So I will be giving the link in this video as well. After that, we started roaming around and we saw these beautiful flowers with such a sweet smell. So, just because we were staying there, we were able to see the sunrise without any hurry or anything from our balcony only. And we got a lot of time to spend without any crowd, and we could enjoy a lot. So there are also lots of places to visit here. So one is Boga Nandishwara temple, an ancient temple with beautiful Dravidian architecture located at the foothills. So it is a must visit. It is nearby to Sunset Point only, and you can visit that. It is such a great place with lot of cultural heritage and all. So, Nandi Hills is generally open to visitors from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. So, while the official's opening time is 6 a.m., so they were visitors will arrive, but be aware that entry before 6 a.m. might be restricted by the forest department. And also nowadays early mornings it will be like misty like this. You won't be able to see anything. It will be very cold, and the sunrise experience is it that is such a spectacular view. And other than sunrise, the other main attraction is the sunset. So sunset in this hill is like amazing, very beautiful, calm. So always check the weather forecast before you visit to ensure clear skies for the best sunrise view. Fog can sometimes obscure the view as we experienced. While Nandi Hills is primarily famous for its sunrise, the sunset views can also be beautiful and offer a different, more serene experience. To comfortably catch the sunset, aim to arrive at Nandi Hills by 5:30 to 6 p.m. This gives you enough time to find a good spot and watch the sky transform. So, the winter months, October to February, often provide the clearest and most vibrant sunsets due to clear skies. However, sunsets in other seasons can also be lovely, especially if there are some clouds to catch the colors. So, see the night view, how amazing it is. So, usually, this time they won't allow us to sit or wait there, but if you are staying there, you can experience this amazing view. So, about the stay, I have mentioned in part 1, so please do check it. So, this means that you can easily visit for sunset and stay until it's dark. So, watching the sunset from Nandi Hills provides a panoramic view of the surrounding landscape as the sun dips below the horizon. The sky can often be painted with striking oranges, reds, and purples. It's a quieter and more relaxed experience compared to the bustling sunrise crowd. So, you always have to check the weather forecast. Cloudy or rainy evenings can obscure the sunset view. So if you guys like the video, and also please share and subscribe. I have given all the details in the description box. Please do check that as well. Bye bye.